To send me some photos of how they're protecting their plants. Some creative ways are coming in. I've seen buckets over plants. Of course, sheets are everywhere.
That's a common one.
It'll be a cold night.
Blow torches. So some local vineyards have tried to use blow torches before.
Oh, that's right. In the bigger area to try to create sort of a heat island.
Yeah, not just in your
that would be
run-of-the-mill garden.
I tried to do that.
Yeah, bye-bye peonies. See you next year.
Well, we do have a chance for another frost later tonight. I don't think it'll be quite as widespread, but there is still going to be some concern there. Not unusual for us to have a frost this late. Our average last frost is about this time. However, we're looking unseasonably cool even into May. That's the big weather story right now. This cool spell that we're in does not show signs of going away. We're also looking at our next opportunity for rain that's showing up here for the second half of this week and into the weekend. Here's a look at our almanac. Our high temperature today, only 57. We average 72 degrees. I personally do not mind this cooler weather because once summer rolls around and we're blaring in the 90s, we're going to wish we had some below normal days in the 50s. But as we look at the longer range temperature pattern into the first week of May, notice the eastern half of this country here in these various shades of blue. That's indicating the locations that are more likely to see below or above normal temperatures. And for us here in the Ohio Valley, almost right in the bullseye of the likelihood of seeing below normal temperatures continuing into the first week of May. Now, there is some good news with that. It limits any severe weather potential that we could see, as we don't have as warm or as moist air as we normally would. So when we see these rain chances returning for Thursday and Friday, I don't expect any severe weather to be coming with it. Here's a look at Futurecast. We'll see some high clouds tonight. Otherwise, will be mostly clear. Temperatures dipping on either side of freezing, really. We'll have a few locations, especially in more valleyed and sheltered areas, most likely to get below freezing. I think we'll stay above freezing here in the metro area. And after starting off mostly cloudy tomorrow, we'll see sunshine returning. We might get a couple of sprinkles for some of our southern Indiana counties, but no significant rain, as a cold front, a very weak one, is going to sink southward and really just bring a reinforcing shot of cold air and some extra clouds along with it as we head into our Wednesday afternoon and then into Thursday. But Thursday is also when, as you just saw, we see those rain chances beginning to increase again. And the timing of this is still a little bit uncertain. I think we'll start to get a better idea tomorrow on when exactly we'll see this rain moving in. But late Thursday afternoon into Thursday night, we'll see some moderate rain pushing through, maybe a couple rumbles of thunder, mostly Thursday night, continuing into our early Friday morning. But some models do leave most of the rain off until Friday. So that's why we still have some uncertainty there with the timing, but I think we'll continue to see a few lingering showers into our Friday afternoon. Of course, we have the marathon on Saturday. For right now, we do have a slight chance for some showers or some drizzle in there, but it's not going to be too hot. That's what's most important. As we head into Sunday, though, that's when things are really going to start to cool down for us. Here's a look at your hometown forecast. Tonight we'll be down into the 30s, but tomorrow I think it'll be a warmer day. We'll add about 8 or so degrees to the high temperature that we had, thanks to those light winds out of the south and mostly sunny skies. So middle 60s across the board. All in all, still a fairly pleasant day, and our air conditioner does not need to run either. So that's some more good news. And the 7-day forecast extended shows 60s almost across the board. Warmest day coming on Friday when we get near 70 degrees. Same story for Saturday, 40% chance in there for some showers. And as we look ahead to Sunday, it's going to be another cool day, likely in the 50s. We still have a chance in there for some more widespread rain, and our winds are going to continue to pick up. And here's May 1st, May Day there on Monday. 30% chance for some more showers, and those temperatures still unseasonably cool. By that point, our average high will be about 75 degrees. We could be as much as 15 degrees cooler than normal as we start off the 5th month of the year.